As a content creator, you may think of the kind of microphone that you want to use to do your content creation. So in this video, I'm going to show you this powerful condenser microphone with V8 sound card that you can use to create your content in terms of getting the quality sound for your content. And this condenser microphone will give you the best quality sound that will help you to prevent noise at the background of your sound and also all sound glitches that may be affecting your content, and also show you the step-by-step guide on how you can set this condenser microphone for your content creation. Then we test this microphone to know how this microphone is, the good side and the bad side, and why you should get yourself one of this condenser microphone for your content creation. So now let's get into it to know the specifications of this condenser microphone and how we can fix it and how you can get one for yourself. Okay, so this is what is inside the condenser microphone box. You see, this is the microphone manual and the V8 sound card manual. Okay, these are the two manuals that we have. So this is the pop filter. That's the pop filter. Okay, this is the pop filter. This is how it is. Clamp which you use to hold the microphone stand in position. Okay, yeah, this is the clamp. We have the 3.5 mm cable, microphone cable. So this is it. Okay, the 3.5 mm microphone cable. We have the mic holder, that's the microphone holder. Okay, this is where you just put the microphone there so as to hold the microphone in position. Okay, we have the microphone itself. This is the microphone itself. Okay, here's where you put the microphone cable, the port, that's a 3-pin. Okay, and we have this section. This section is where you are going to get the correct sound. We don't do it in this way, but rather hold it in this position. Okay, so when you just put the microphone into the microphone holder, then it will be in position. Okay, it will be in position, as simple as that. Okay, here comes the microphone cover. This is what you use to just cover the microphone. Should in case you don't want to use the pop filter, okay, you can use the microphone cover to do your recordings. Okay, it comes with this microphone stand as well. Okay, this microphone stand, okay, of which you just adjust the size. Okay, you can use to adjust the size. So this is the unboxing for the condenser microphone plus the V8 sound card. So basically, this is the step-by-step guide on how you can fix this condenser microphone for your content creation. Here is the Talk Tech, and if you like watching content like this, make sure you do subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also do not forget to share the video to your friends so that they will also benefit from this video. Here is the Talk Tech, and we shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.